These bite-sized lentil patties are crispy on the outside and soft and flavorful on the inside. Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Cook with Rozina. Sometimes you want a delicious fast food or diner-style veggie burgers, meat-free, sugar-free, egg-free, and you want to make it with very high-quality ingredients. Well, today is the day and I'm going to show you how to make a perfect lentil patties. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we need 1 cup red lentils. Rinse and soak the lentils in the cold water for an hour. This will help soften red lentils. Perfect. Peel and roughly dice 300 gram cooked potatoes. Okay, in next step, peel and roughly chop 1 onion, about 100 gram. This will give your patties a good flavor. 100 gram red bell pepper, deseeded and coarsely chopped. Chop 2 peeled garlic cloves. And now drain red lentils. And now add red lentils, 4 tablespoons roughly chopped parsley or coriander leaves, 2 veggies, and season with 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1½ teaspoon curry powder, ½ teaspoon cumin powder, salt and pepper to taste, and blend for 1-2 minutes until all ingredients well combined. Perfect. Now let's cook up these lentil patties. In a frying pan, add some corn oil. Take 3 tablespoons of mixture and shape into a patty. And because mixture will be somewhat wet, so coat them in panko or cracker crumbs to shape it into a patty and to give them a crispier texture. And then place the patties in the pan. Perfect. And fry them for about 4-5 minutes on each side until golden brown and crispy. Please don't flip them too soon because the patties may fall apart. Then carefully turn them over and cook for another 4 minutes. And then you can transfer the patties into a plate. They will continue to firm up as they cool. Perfect. You can serve lentil patties with a dip or sauce of choice and enjoy it. I made a yogurt dip from ½ cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt to taste, mix together and garnish with chili oil and chopped spring onions. These lentil patties are delicious on their own or wrapped in flat naan bread, pita bread, baguette, or served in burger buns, or even serve it over rice with any green salads, pickles, or dip. Just perfect and delicious. Leftover patties will keep in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days and can also be frozen up to 3 months. When ready to serve, simply reheat them in the microwave for about 20-30 seconds, and for more crispiness, you can saute them with oil in a frying pan. Thank you very much for stopping by and watching Let's Cook with Rozina. I hope you liked my lentil patties recipe and I hope you give it a go. So if you like this recipe, remember smash that like button and subscribe. And I hope to see you in next one. Take care, God bless and lots of love. Bye. Or as we say in Farsi, Khuda Hafiz.